Alright, boys and girls, we are going to be learning how to construct a perpendicular line. So keep in mind, perpendicular means it's perfectly 90 degrees, like this. And so these two lines, I know 100% for sure, is perfectly 90 degrees. Now, let's just say you're like, oh my gosh, this is so easy. Why don't I just draw it like this? Yeah, but except that this right here, it might not be 90 degrees. It could be like 89.8, and that's not correct, right? So people in the regions really need to see that you know how to construct a perpendicular line. And it has to be specifically passing through a point that they give you, right? So that this is a finished product. Let me show you what all these markings mean with something that's unfinished, like below. Let's take a look at x comma y. So let's make a point right here. Let's just call this point Z. So I want to draw a perpendicular line to xy that crosses through point Z. Okay, how do I do this? Get your trusty compass right here. Okay, you're gonna put the pointy spot on point Z, and you're gonna make a space that's large enough that passes this line of x and y. Okay, so let me take a look right here. You guys can hopefully I'm angling it so that you can see. I need to make an arc slightly past where line xy is on one side, and then I'm going to make the same arc on the other side. Okay, obviously use the top of this thing like this so that you are holding it carefully. Okay, so once you are done, right, you could see these two arcs that I've made. Once you've made these two arcs, you're gonna label this point, let's call it point A, and I'm gonna label this point and call it point B. Okay, now you don't have to move your compass at all. You're literally going to take your compass again, put it on point A, right, like this, and draw another arc somewhere in the center over here. Okay, like this. Whoops, sorry. It's a little bit blurry because I'm holding it like that. And then you're gonna put the compass in point B, right? And draw the second arc so that it's intersecting over here, like this. And you should see an X, okay? This is the other point that you need, because what's magical about this point and getting to this point is that you're actually able to connect to Z, okay? So let's connect this point to Z. And what you're gonna notice is that once I connect the point, I know for sure that based on the process that I just did, I was able to construct a line that is perfectly 90 degrees because it's perfectly perpendicular, because this is a perfect corner right there. And so therefore this has to be 90 degrees, okay? And so the process is very easy. Step one, right? I would say step one, draw two arcs, right? Two arcs, pass like x, y. And then step two is going to be make two arcs from x / from y, okay? And then step three is connect dots. It's pretty easy, but you guys need just time and practice to get it right, okay?